come to see me, they talk a lot about what kind of custody they want, and they don't always articulate the right ways to determine custody, at least in the state of Missouri. In the state of Missouri, there are two kinds of custody. One kind of custody is legal custody, and one kind of custody is physical custody. In the state of Missouri, legal custody is considered decision-making custody. And it's not day-to-day decisions, as those are usually determined by the parent who the child is in their custody. What joint legal custody is major life decisions for the child, such as educational decisions, legal decisions, religious decisions, medical decisions, big life decisions such as those. When you have joint legal custody in the state of Missouri, you have 50-50 decision-making power with the other parent regarding your children. And the standard is that the courts will likely grant joint legal custody, but it all hinges on the ability of the parents to communicate. So keep that in mind if you're trying to seek sole legal custody or when you're determining what kind of legal custody you're looking for out of your divorce. As to physical custody, there is sole physical custody and joint physical custody. Now keep in mind that if you have joint physical custody in the state of Missouri, that does not mean that you have actual 50-50 time with your child per se. It can be that. However, if you have less time than that or a parent has less time, the definition of joint physical custody is just a substantial time with the child, which can be less than 50-50. So knowing what kind of physical custody you're seeking, whether that be sole or that be joint, again, that hinges on what kind of visitation plan you have. So when you come to an attorney and you say, I want full custody of my child, keep in mind that you're talking about two different types of custody, the legal custody and the physical custody. So think about what you are looking for when you go and talk with your attorney.